Hey, there's Shmulabelle. Ow! Ow! What are you doing? That hurts my feet. This soft kitty? Or is this little bear? This is Berlioz. This is Berlioz. Hey, Berlioz. You can't even see her. Shmoo Bear.
Recognize you without your blue jumpsuits, boys. Always a pleasure.
These are the babies. They're playing. They're all from the same litter, even though they're very different. That's B. And I think, oh. And that's Soft Kitty under there. I love kitties. Hey guys, don't fight. And these ones are fighting too. Right, Shmoo. Shmulabelle. Shmulabelle. Y'all stop beating each other up. That's not nice. You want to get on it too? They're 4 weeks old right now? Yeah, they're a month old right now. They were born on April 27th. I have no idea where their mother is right now. She's outside of the room somewhere. Ow! Beating up my knee. But they're just in that playing age where they're playing all the time. She was my favorite. I think I want to keep her. Not saying that anybody's my favorite or anything like that. Eee! Hey, B. Ow! Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty baby. Hop around, Shmoo. Playing with the shrimp. They live under the bed most of the time. But there's their other house. Going into the trash can. Say goodbye, babies. Bye-bye, babies. Bye, tiny babies.